Grand awakening, Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out my ebooks, my music, also the NFTs. They're going to be great. Listen, your word of the day is everything turns to light. So you know what we say on this page. If you're under the sound of my voice, we put fingerprints, DNA prints, paw prints, blueprints, pink prints on everything. Once you think about it, I want you to take action in creating, because you're in a creative stage to take yourself to the next level. The world awaits the great Scorpio. This is your season. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings to me. I listen and transform darkness into light, which is amazing. And I allow myself to grow and become stronger. And that's why everyone loves Scorpios and we support you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.